So in my mind, we're in the fortunate position of having a number of different methods and technical ways of reducing bias. I think the most important thing to start doing is to start doing something. Until you start measuring and start working out whether or not there is a problem, I think there's a lot of gray areas, there's a lot of noise out there around bias in machine learning models, bias in artificial intelligence models. But I think cutting through that is really important, and what you've got to do is understand and measure, is there a problem, and then take action. I think there's a couple in my mind. I think your data integrity and your data acquisition process is absolutely key. You need to have the right data when you need it available. I think sophistication of modeling. I think in a way the insurance market has perhaps lagged what's happening out there in other industries for a little bit, and now things are rapidly catching up, and I think making sure that you ride that wave and not get overrun by that wave is really key. And I think keeping these sorts of issues around bias and discrimination in mind to make sure that what you're executing on is ethical and within regulatory requirements. Yeah, I think, as we mentioned, the data flow process has to be absolutely pristine and quick and working. Spending time today cleaning data, trying to reconcile it, uncovering problems in it, that just delays the outcome of processes that are absolutely vital for achieving success from a pricing perspective. I think that's the one. So your data on the one side, and then the modeling environment. So speaking as an actuary, you want to be able to fit sophisticated models, have some sort of guarantees that these models are robust, have been fit correctly, and having the correct modeling environment to do that is absolutely key. Wow, I really love some of the things that were spoken about, and it was a privilege getting to speak to some of the technical people here about those. My favorite is the AGLM, which is, I believe, the automated GLM technology that's been introduced. GLMs are so core to all actuarial work, and the ability to maintain that methodology while automatically fitting it is a really cool thing. So that's what I really enjoyed seeing here. I think insurers need to lead the market. So I think for too long, insurers have waited for outside forces, whether it's accounting bodies or regulators, to impose things on them. I would recommend insurers go out there, seize the moment, do the right things on things like discrimination, and chart a path and a course forward for the industry that's going to lead to sustainability in the longer term.